Are there going to be tornadoes today? There are?
Gigi.
We're going to see Gigi, that's right. There's a storm a-brewing. We're supposed to get some tornadoes today. So I'm taking May to Grandma's house for the day, to Chrissy's mom's house, and I've got a bunch of meetings today. We're finishing up a classroom, and there's supposed to be tornadoes at some point. Can you see May back there? Can you say hey? She's not gonna say hey. A couple meetings today, and we're finishing up this classroom. So the gym is usually open, it used to open at 4, and now we open at noon. So during the summer when we have groups in here, we don't have anywhere good to teach them. So we're trying to make this room, we moved all of our offices out. We're trying to make a cool space. I'm not that cool, so I don't know if it's cool, but a cool space to do our Bible teaching, some training, kind of just a cool classroom slash hangout slash meeting slash conference slash I don't really know, but we're painting it because it was filthy. And hopefully it comes out great.
I'll make it cool.
Coming up with a name for the coolest
thing. It's a secret. We're doing a top secret thing that's going to be awesome.
It'll be lit. Beyond awesome.
Hopefully we can tell you soon, but you just have to trust me that it's going to be awesome.
Hopefully we can tell you soon, because that means we'll have it figured out.
We're not having as much luck as we hoped, but at least we have this cool room.
Hey! We do not have what we want, but we do have beanbag chairs. You can X that off.
I promise we'll tell you soon. You'll all be very excited. I'm headed to a meeting right now, and then to look at a possible building we might use. Still no tornadoes. It's about 4 o'clock. No tornadoes, but productive day. Got the room finished, and got some good stuff done with Tommy and Mikey. Also, they weren't watching any of these videos, which they're like the stars of. Nobody wants to see me. They want to see May, and they want to see Tommy and Mikey. So they recently watched the videos for the first time. I turned the camera on just a second too late, but here was their reaction.
You know? What, you know, too much?
Hey!
Hopefully they're watching now. They're the stars of this thing. I'm just kind of here.
Hey,
I'm talking to you, bro.
That's that boy right there. Boy, you going on?
So it's almost 6 o'clock. This is supposed to be the heavy part of the storm, the real bad stuff. I'm in storm chaser mode. We're gonna go see how bad it is. All right, going out on the porch, headed out into it. This doesn't look like a tornado.